What's going on, guys? I didn't do any videos over the weekend, so I'm going to upload this quick trade recap. I did not alert this to my Discord, but I posted it and I said, does anyone like this? And I said, who likes this? So this is my original plan. My take profit was going to be down here, okay? And now it would probably be this low if I was still in. But I ended up getting stopped at break even. So I entered here, okay? Let me get a brush. So I entered right around here. Let me make this a little bigger if I can. I don't even know how. So I entered right around there, and as you can see in this situation, when I'm up 1R, I move myself to break even. So 1R for this setup would be right here. Why? Because the stop would be over this high, and so this would mean this would be 1R. So I entered here. It ended up getting to the 1R. So here's when I moved my stop to break even, and then boom, look what happened. I went over this high, and I was stopped at break even around here. So I was stopped to break even right there, and you can see that, like, you can ask yourself why this failed. Well, there's probably a bunch of different reasons. Honestly, this didn't really fail. It technically hasn't hit the stop loss yet, and yes, technically it could go down here and not fail. But again, according to my risk management, when I'm up 1R, I move my stop to break even, and I got stopped to break even. So it wasn't a lose, it wasn't a win. Like, you can see that it's not a successful trade. But again, this is good risk management. I was up 1R, I moved my stop to break even, and I got stopped. So again, after this, it would suck if it would go down and hit this low, but again, it would also not suck if it went to hit this. But again, we can't really tell. I got stopped, so it is what it is. But why did I enter here? Well, if we go on the 5-minute, we already hit London highs. We already hit the highs. We already filled this gap. So we had the highs right here, and I don't actually. So this was London high right here. We hit these high, and then what happens next? We end up filling this gap right here. Why can I never find this? So we end up filling the rest of this gap right here, and we do actually have equal highs up here. Well, not equal, but relative equal highs. So that kind of makes me curious. But we fill this gap. We hit buy side from London highs. So, and we got a market structure shift. Okay, and let me just remove this. This looks messy. So our market structure shift would be right here. We go into this low, and in this situation, you kind of could see we failed to displace under that. So this could be another reason we fail. And we bounce off this order block right here. We failed to displace under here, so this could be another reason why this failed. And in this situation, you can see, like, I still was in profit for 1R, but again, I got stopped. It wasn't a successful trade. We had this trend line resistance, or this low resistance liquidity right here, which is this trend line. We went through it, and we kind of already retested it, but again, we'll see what happens. This play could still work, okay? But we're actually kind of creating this downtrend line as well, which is very sloppy. And yeah, this is just a day where I think ICT was tweeting seeking a short consolidation Monday, blah, 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 whatever, but he says not to trade a lot. So I'll still take trades. But you can see this is a really good entry. And the importance of getting a really good entry is I was stopped to break even rather than being stopped in a loss, especially if this fails. This will work for me. But there's really no reason, in my opinion, in my eyes, not to take this trade. We took London highs. We filled the gap. We have a market structure shift. But again, this market structure shift, we failed to displace. So maybe it wasn't as good as I thought. But yeah, this was not a terrible trade. It was executed well by me, in my opinion. I was stopped out at break even after being up 1R. So we'll see what happens now, but we just got this trendliner test. We're creating kind of another trendline right here, which we could dump to, but again, we're probably gonna, again, I can't really tell what's gonna happen next, but yeah, just wanted to go over this review. I'm sure some of you guys, other people took this trade. And if you didn't, let me know why or why not in the comments, why you would have taken that trade or not. I'm genuinely curious. But yeah, other than that, have a great rest of your evening. And I'll try to upload a video tomorrow. I'm probably going to try to do a video on like divergences. But again, we'll see. And other than that, peace out.